1955 Chevy Bel Air 2 drive. Oh, it's 59,500. Wow, this is really good. They restored this real good. Huh. Nice. Here we go. Step back here. 1955 yan. Tanda lang sa akin isang taon. Ganda. Nice. Very nice. Okay. Original pa ang ano nito. Oh. Okay. It's a nice one. Balikan natin yun. Oh. Ganda niya sa malayo eh. Kahit naman malapit eh. Galing. Ito ako sa ano, sa Glade Hill Street. Ito yung Glade Hill Elementary School. Siguro one of the parents of the student here in Glade Hill owns that. Okay. RV na pangarap ko rin naman magkaroon, pero pangarap lang talaga. Yan. Yan. Kompleto yan. May kitchen, may bedroom, may restroom. Meron pang ano yun sa yung entertainment na space para sa ano. Saka yun yung isang yun. Awnings niya na pwede nang itaas yun pagka nasa ano sa beach o kaya ano kung saan man. Siya. Totoo lang wala pa akong nakaka-experience na sumakay dyan. I haven't experienced riding that, being inside that. I mean, I've been one time with my friend who came over and showed her RV that was new, so almost like the price of the house. It's $110,000 at that time, but it's brand new. I've been walking here for almost 5 years. I've seen this for a long time, so maybe older than 5 years. Glade Hill Street yan. Okay. Ito yung route ako eh. Every day. Took me like 2 hours. No, I'm sorry. 1 hour and 12 minutes. Or 20. It's equivalent to 2.5 to 3 miles of walk. Very good enough. Here's another one. Restored and they're not selling it. But I wonder what is it, a Chevy? Which have the same '09, yeah. Nice one. Okay, they're not using it, so ito naman yung nadadaanan kong puro cactus. Nice one. All cactus coming from, I don't know, maybe Mexico or Arizona. Nice one. This is the back side of the school. The car that we saw is in the front side of the school. Yan, kumpleto sila dyan. Playground. playground ng this one is a magnet school. Wala pa yung ano eh. It's only 9 o'clock. Oh, 9:30 when they go out for recess. I think I saw them coming out. Okay. Yeah, there's another one. RV. Yes, this is an old one. Yeah. Malit lang siya. It's for like a family of 2 or 3. Okay din sana. Eh, sa Pilipino, mga you can feel pwede siguro 7 yan. Ito naman yung ano, this is the high school, junior and senior high school ng Monroe High School, 1 block away from Glade Hill Elementary School. Ito naman yung isa pong kapit neighborhood namin. Meron siyang boat, small boat. Here's another one, the old vintage car. Ito 1947. Yeah, Lincoln. 1947 Lincoln. Nice. Kaya lang ano na, medyo nasisira na, hindi na restore ng may-ari. Ito naman yung ano, Cybertruck na Tesla. Sa likod lang ng bahay namin yan. And actually 1 block after. Well, ito the back of our house, I mean next street. Malapit na ako sa bahay. Siguro mga ikot pa nga pala ako ng 1 more block pala. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes more. Ito naman yung lemon tree. Daming bunga, oh. A lot of citrus fruits. Dami niyang bunga. Lemon tree. Yan ang iniinom ko every day, every morning. Hot water and just 1 piece of lemon. That's really good for your health. Yung lemon ko maliit pa eh. Sige. Okay. Ito naman yung ano. Na-inflate nila eh. It's a Christmas decoration. Inflated. Ito yung west side of Monroe School. High School, Elementary School. Lawak yung ano niya eh. Yeah. Yan. That's how big is the this school. Playground nila. And over there is their football stadium. Somewhere there. Yeah, right there. There's a football field. And these are the basketball court. But they're not using it. They have their own inside gymnasium. Okay. Pauwi na ako. Ito na yung street namin. Ibon. Ito naman yung kapitbahay namin. yung grapefruit nila. Hindi nila kinakain yan. Ayaw nilang si Cora nakapitas na dyan isang beses. Ako asima naman ako. Ayan, yun ang bahay namin. Ito, I talked to the owner one time. Ang sabi nila, they're the original settler in this place. Most of the neighborhood were Jewish, but they left. They're the one left behind. But these guys are from Cuba, so they're just friend of the kaibigan sila ng mga Jewish na umalis na rito. Yun ang aking halaman, ang aking malunggay, bayabas, daranghita. Looks like we have a regular customer here now every morning. Yeah, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Actually, it was more than 10. Pero maasim naman yan. Ito yung lemon tree. Maliit pa lang siya. May bunga siyang wala na. Napitas na ni ito. Ayan. Meron pang isang lumalabas yan. Ito yung Giabano. Ito yung kalamansi ko. Ayan. Ito naman yung aking kamote. Dito kami nagtatalbos ng kamote dahil sinasawag namin sa sinigang. Malaking pakinabang namin dyan. Ito, di ko pa natatapos itong ginagawa ko dito. Nawala yung stand yun. At saka yung aking parol. Ito yung aking mangga. Yan. Mula doon sa Glade Hill School, kalahati lang naman napakita ko sa inyo. Okay, have a nice day. Ingat kayo lahat yan.